Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Nissan Rogue. First, prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Ensure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park or neutral. Position the assisting vehicle so its battery is accessible to the dead car, allowing the jumper cables to connect easily without stretching. This setup prevents electrical surges and ensures a safe jumpstart. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. First, attach one red positive clamp to the positive terminal of your dead Nissan Rogue battery. Then, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. Next, connect one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Nissan Rogue, away from the battery. With the cables properly connected, start the engine of the assisting vehicle. Let it run for about 5 minutes to give your Nissan Rogue's battery a chance to receive some charge. After this waiting period, try to start your Nissan Rogue. If it doesn't immediately turn over, give it a few more minutes with the assisting car running, then attempt to start it again. Patience is key here. Once your Nissan Rogue starts, it's time to disconnect the cables in reverse order. First, remove the black negative cable from the unpainted metal surface on your car. Then, disconnect the black negative cable from the assisting vehicle's battery. Next, remove the red positive cable from the assisting vehicle, and finally, the red positive cable from your Nissan Rogue. Remember to check the description for links to great deals, including Little Tree's Black Ice Air Fresheners. Drive your car for at least 20 minutes to ensure the battery recharges properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.